That's the mama, and that's a little baby. So today I woke up and I was just so sick of sitting inside the house doing homework and working and everything that I was like, I need to go out and do something that I enjoy. The weather is actually pretty nice today, so I figured I'm just gonna drive over towards the beach. Don't really have a game plan. I might surf for a little bit and then maybe come back inshore and try to do some fishing in some of the kind of more protected waters, so I don't have to deal with the wind. Alright, the question is, am I gonna surf this morning? We're about to find out. Missing someone. So surf conditions were just they were pretty bad. I mean, I give it like a 3 out of 10. I was still able to catch some waves, but this wasn't really good surf. And then it was also too windy and too choppy to try to fish offshore on the paddleboard, like to go to some of those close reefs. So now I'm here. There we go. And gonna pick up some shrimp and head inshore to go fishing. Okay, so launching the paddleboard was extremely easy. It's just going around this corner is going to be a bit tough until I get into those little canals, because it's going to be a bit windy and the current's going to be picking up. That's something. I see a lot of growth under this dock, so I'm assuming there are going to be fish. took it right off. Oh my god, something huge just had it. Oh my god. I have no idea what that is, what that was. That just took my... That just bent my pole and almost snapped it, I swear. I'm really determined to catch something in the spot because when I stand up I can see a bunch of life there. There's a bunch of smaller fish up on the top, and then on the down low you can see some larger fish that are just like hanging out in the bottom. I'm hoping that I can just get these shrimp to drop far enough before all the small fish eat it to one of the large fish. I'm not going to get through there. All the small fish that are sitting up on top, they're just going to keep eating the shrimp before it even hits the bottom, where all the larger fish are. Alright, I'm going to head back to where I put the paddleboard in because there's no activity. I've been here for an hour fishing and I've only got a couple of bites at one little spot and then nothing else. Uh-oh, guys. We got some huge manatees right here. Look, that's the mama and that's the little baby. That thing is gigantic. That thing has to be the size of a car. Let me try to go back around to him. There she is. Should just be a reminder why these are no wake zones. Because there are manatees like this that are endangered, and sometimes I see people flying through these canals. Alright, I'm just trying to catch a fish here. Like, what's up with all these manatees? What's going on? Something eat my shrimp. Here he comes again. He's gonna go right past my line. I want to reel that in. Oh, getting some air. Haven't caught anything. Oh man, he was on a beautiful Hughes 18. Hughes redfish 18. Alright, I'm calling it. Too much boat traffic, too many manatees. It's a sign.